Good morning, everybody. It is Paul from the Rush Vlog. Kristen's already at work, as usual. But it is a beautiful day out. It's breezy, the sun's out, it's cooler, it's only in the 70s right now. It's going up into the mid-80s. It finally rained this morning. Finally, we got a pretty big thunderstorm came through and then a nice shower afterwards. So that's good. May put a damper on some of my plans to get some stuff done outside, but no big deal there. I got plenty to do inside. So come join us, won't you? So if you guys remember from yesterday, I vacuumed the entire downstairs and moved everything from this side over to here so Kristen could clean this side of the carpet. That's done. It's still a little bit wet, a little bit wetter than I want it to be. It's not wet, it's damp. I'm going to let it dry a little bit more, but then I need to take all this stuff and move it all over here so we can clean this section. So that's one of my goals for today, is to get everything moved over to this side. Again, it probably needs another hour or two to dry, but I got lots of time. And mission accomplished. Everything from this side is now over there, and we could scrub all this tonight. Super exciting stuff going on here right now. So my internet was out, and I went outside to just check the wire, the cable wire coming into the house, and seen all these birds in my backyard. There's a lot more than this. I scared a lot of them away accidentally. I wanted to film them all. But I'm assuming they're picking up worms and stuff, bugs after the storm this morning. Just a ton of them out here. And into the neighbor's backyard too. This is kind of weird. There's another area in my backyard. See them all back in there. It's kind of hard to see them through the trees, but if you know what kind of birds these are, let me know down in the comments. They're having a field day in my yard, which is good. Hopefully they're getting all their bugs and everything out of the yard. Kristen would be flipping out right now. She hates birds. So out amongst all these birds is this little squirrel hanging out here too. He's not afraid of the birds. It's like nature zone in my backyard. I don't need to go to the zoo. I got birds, I got squirrels. Just the amount of birds is they're even into the neighbor's yard. Zoom in, see if you could tell me what kind of bird this is. It's a pretty bird. Just a ton of them. And they all go flying off. Break time must be over. But you can see how many of them there were. So Kristen should be home any time now, so I'm going to light the grill up here and get some barbecue chicken going. Well, while I'm letting the chicken cook back there, I'm going to go play with Noellers, who's waiting patiently for me to throw her new frisbee. Good girl. Doesn't that look good? Got some rice and carrots that Kristen are making, and we are almost ready to eat. There's our finished product. Nice bourbon glazed chicken with some rice and some carrots. What you think, babe?
It looks so delicious, I'm ready to dig in.
What you think, Noelle?
Can I have some?
Nope, you get doggy food.
Boo.
Well, we're gonna eat this and watch some NCIS. Not on yet. And then go work all this off. Well, guys, dinner was super good.
Yeah, it was.
Chicken was nice and moist and had that bourbon glaze on it.
I love that bourbon glaze.
What is it? It's a Tastefully Simple.
Tastefully Simple.
Bourbon
Bayou
glaze.
Bourbon.
Yes, Bayou Bourbon. You should definitely try it out. It's a super good glaze. But now we need to head to the gym to work all the calories off we just ate.
Yep.
So we're headed there, and we will talk to you afterwards. So, workout. Tell you what, I did that 30-minute workout after riding the bike for 30 minutes. That really whips you. But we're slowly on our way home. We left Planet Fitness, which was about 100 feet away, and we've made it 100 feet in about 15 minutes.
Bull crap.
Oh, it's been at least 10 minutes.
No, maybe like 4.
Don't worry though, she's caught 4 Pokemon. She's doing good.
I got another one.
May never get home, but she's got her Pokemon.
Why won't my Pokestop work?
Guys, why won't her Pokestop work? I don't even know what a Pokestop is.
It's empty.
Anyways, if I ever get home, we will talk to you then. Well, we finally made it home after capturing a handful of Pokemon and getting ticked off because the Pokestop wasn't working right.
It wouldn't give me any of the Pokeballs. It wouldn't give me nothing.
Whatever that meant.
What's that?
So the rest of the night, we just spent relaxing, getting ready to head back to the zoo tomorrow. Because there's a lot of the zoo we didn't see the first time. So, headed there. But thumbs up if you liked the video. and you want to see more of these, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Especially, well, by the time you see this, we'll already be posting stuff there tomorrow. But especially tomorrow. What are you doing back there? Oh, we forgot to do the map today.
Uh-oh.
We'll do the map tomorrow. Or the next day. We'll get the map. We'll throw the map in there. Sometime this week. Subscribe if you're new down there and you want to see more of these videos. And yeah, there you go. That's about it. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.